Breaking news from Tamil Nadu. The Tamil Nadu Assembly Election 2026, conducted on April 23rd, covered a total of 234 constituencies across the state. Now, the vote counting is underway, and early trends are creating a strong buzz in the political landscape. As per the latest updates, Tamilaga Vettri Kazhagam, TVK, is leading with 104 seats, followed by All India Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, AIADMK, at 79 seats, and Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam DMK with 50 seats. With 234 total seats, the magic number to form the government is 118. Right now, TVK is in a very strong leading position, getting closer to the majority mark. AIADMK continues to hold a solid position, while DMK is trailing behind in the current trends. This election is especially important as it shows a possible shift in Tamil Nadu politics, with new competition changing the traditional balance. These are still counting trends, and the final results may change as counting progresses. Stay tuned for more updates as Tamil Nadu moves closer to its final verdict.